In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete Gemini chat history. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is go over to your Google Gemini application, or you can do this on the browser as well. So I'm going to go over to it right now. Then on the top left, you're going to see those little lines. Go ahead and click on those. Then on the bottom right, you're going to see the settings icon. So go ahead and click on that. And you're going to see Gemini apps activity as one of the options. Go ahead to that. Now it's going to show keeping your activity lets you pick up chats where you left off at any time and helps improve Google services, etc. So what I can do is firstly, I can turn this off so it doesn't actually, keep my activity or anything. But it also says deleting activity older than 18 months. I can go ahead and click on that. Then I can basically delete activity over the last few months if I want to, or I can just go ahead and search and scroll down and it shows the different things I've gone ahead and searched. So all I want to do is go ahead and press delete, and then I can delete activity over here as well. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.